Hi SuperExers! In today's video, we're walking you through the steps to join the SCS Airdrop event on SuperEx, catering to both desktop and app users. So, whether you're at your desk or on the move, we've got you covered. For desktop users, 1. Start by navigating to the SuperEx official website. 2. Look for the SCS button on the menu bar and click on it. 3. From the drop-down or subsequent page, select SCS Airdrop. 4. Once you're on the SCS Airdrop page, you'll be presented with a variety of tasks to participate in. Deposit funds into your account. Engage in futures trading. Dive into spot trading. Refer a friend to SuperEx. When they start trading on SuperEx, you earn rewards. For app users, the process is even more streamlined. 1. Simply open the SuperEx app on your mobile device. 2. On the homepage, you'll immediately spot the SCS Airdrop icon. Tap on it. 3. From there, follow the instructions to start earning your SCS tokens. And there you have it. That's how you can join the SCS Airdrop event on SuperEx. Hope this guide proves helpful. Stay tuned for our next video and happy trading!